Hi there. Hey, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're making Sesame Anise cookies. Oh my goodness, these are so good, especially for those of you who just don't really care for chocolate. Can't believe there's a few of you out there. So this is your cookie. It is so, so delicious. And this is all part of my dessert cookbook. Oh, we have so many great recipes that are gluten, sugar, and dairy-free. You gotta snag your copy. So let me show you how to make this. And we're making a little mini batch because, like I said, sometimes you don't wanna make a whole batch because if you make a whole batch, you might eat the whole batch, right? So it's limiting it. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna throw in here, and of course you're gonna get the recipe. This is a cup of almond flour. And I like to use Bob's Red Mill blanched almond flour. It's blanched, so you don't have the, the peel and everything. It's not the peel. You don't have the outer shell of the almonds on it. So this next ingredient is the ticket for this recipe. It is called star anise, and it is such a good spice. It's just smells a little like licorice, but it's so much better. And normally it comes in a little star pod. Sometimes you can find it ground, but I haven't found it ground very much lately, so I just grounded it in my high-speed blender. You can also do it in, say, a little coffee grinder. You just want to grind it up. There it is. So I'm going to throw all that in, and then we're going to put in tahini. Tahini is a great sesame paste. And I like to get it organic, so I'm throwing this in. But the reason why we use tahini, number one, it makes it super creamy. It's just delicious. But number two, it has a lot of protein. And protein, it stabilizes your blood sugar, especially when you're mixing this with some kind of sugar. The sugar we're using today, of course, is an alternative natural sugar. We're using maple syrup, so I'm going to throw that in. The other thing about tahini, sesame seeds, they help you to really balance your hormones. So for those of you women that have some hormonal issues, hey, sesame paste, tahini, or sesame seeds, they really will do you good. In my hormone series, I offer a hormone balancing. It's really cool. It's the seed rotation, and you can do it to balance your hormones, along with learning to eat really well. So then we just do about a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm just going to throw that in. Next ingredient is some baking soda and some salt. You can see how quickly and easily this comes together. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of coconut oil, and then we're going to blend all this up. That's all there is to it. Really simple, so let's blend. Voila, hey, it's all blended up, delicious. And by the way, if you don't have a food processor, this makes up so well in a food processor, but you don't have to have one. You could just use beaters, or you could use, just a spoon. It just mixes up so well, so easily. I highly recommend food processors. There's the dough. So all you do is you make this in a little ball, and then I have sesame seeds. So more hormone balancing, protein filled sesame seeds right here. And then I'm just going to roll this in a ball. I'm going to roll the ball in my sesame seeds, and then I have a parchment lined pan. I always use parchment instead of like an aluminum foil or anything like that. The reason for that, it's really big. It's because parchment, it doesn't give you like aluminum foil. If you cook with it too much, it's been known to cause Alzheimer's. And parchment paper is just pretty pure, pretty clean, but always get unbleached. The bleached ones, you may absorb some of the bleach from it, and we don't want chemicals in our body, right? So I'm going to put this all out on the parchment lined pan, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And we get some chewy, yummy Sesame Anise cookies. They are so good. I'm going to come back and show you the finished product, but before I do, I want to ask you, are you a little bit stressed, especially with everything that's going on, the pandemic? Just there are so many things going on right now, the elections. So if you're feeling stress, even in your family, you can heal that with your breath. Yep, with your breath. So let me show you some cool breath work. You want to breathe into your belly really, really deeply to get that breath in every cell of your body. And I'm going to show it to you now. I want you to try it with me, okay? You up for it? So let's try it now. All you do is you breathe in through your mouth and out through your mouth. So two big breaths in through your mouth and one long breath out through your mouth, and you're breathing into your belly. So make sure that not just your diaphragm is moving forward, that your belly is moving forward, okay? And it looks like this. So two big breaths in and one breath out. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds, so try it with me. Ready? You're not breathing through your nose at all. Ready? Breathe in. About 15 more seconds. Breathe in, 2 breaths in. There you go. And if you can, close your eyes and notice how more relaxed you are. Let that breath fill every cell of your body, okay? Sit with it for a moment. Isn't that delightful? So I challenge you to do this several times a day, maybe for a minute, 30 seconds. It really helps you to get calm and comfortable. And then about once a week, I love to do this for about 20 minutes. It'll blow your mind. It helps you to clean out all of those little pockets in your body. It's called breath work. All of the stored emotions in your body, and it helps you to heal your body. So enjoy it. And throughout the month of December, I'm going to be offering things like breath work to heal your body. So watch for it, and I'll come back with some incredible breath work sequences. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to fill up this pan, throw it in the oven, and I'll be back to show you your finished product. I love you, but more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out and love yourself. Come back and see the finished product and breathe. Remember, it can change your life. These delicious sesame cookies are complete. Yes, I'm so excited. Check them out. These are so delicious, and I'm gonna actually, because we're in quarantine, I'm gonna deliver them to some friends and just put them on their doorsteps. They're gonna be so happy. So, you know, with everything going on, you're probably encountering a lot of stress, and I have a solution for that. It's breathing, 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 breathing. I recommend when you feel like uptight, stressed, when your ears are up to your, or when your shoulders are up to your ears, I call these turtle shoulders. Hey, all you need to do is stop, breathe. Take some deep breaths and fill every crevice, every little cell of your body with your breath. So let's try it now. You want to do it with me? Take a nice deep breath in. Imagine filling every area of your body from your head to your toes with your breath. Just sit with it. Another big deep breath in. Doesn't that feel better? Do that 20 times a day and stay there for longer if you want. And I can guarantee you're going to be feeling so much better. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. And I love you. Go out and love yourself. That's what's so important. Love is everything. And if you like this video and these cookies, please share them. Share them with your friends. Invite them over to Joyful Living with Catherine and Chess. I'd love to have them so we all can get healthy and well together. I love you. Bye-bye.